Alright everybody, we're now going to go for a ride our 1987 Chevy Silverado. As you may know, this is the last year for the square body as GM Chevy trucks decided to change their body style right after this. But this truck comes with a 350, 700 R4 transmission, has power steering, power windows, power disc brakes, factory AC with the cruise control option. In fact, this particular truck has also the tilt steering, which a lot of them you didn't really see. Besides that, you got new American Torq Thrust rims, factory short bed. It's a pretty straight truck. 84,000 miles is still pretty good, especially for these trucks because they could go a long way. As I'm going up the road now, you can hear it. Got a little bit of a sound to her, but just a normal driving truck. And we'll show you the brakes. Pretty strong brakes there. We didn't have no pulling or squealing or any kind of brake lockup. But other than that, she's a really nice driver. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.